side elbow to knee plank. We're gonna go into a prone plank on elbows to start. In this position, be mindful that we are still driving our elbows into the floor to create a little bit of that rounding in our upper back, which is gonna facilitate a little bit more recruitment on the front side of our abdominals. And it's gonna get our serratus anterior, which is a good stabilizer into your shoulder. So most planks, straight line head to toe. When we do an opposite knee to elbow, you're gonna have to drive your hips up to clear your knee from smacking into the ground. That is normal and okay. We just want you to still maintain good upper extremity positioning. So on my elbows, I'm gonna have my elbows a little bit wider than my shoulders or directly under my shoulders. I'm gonna drive my chest away from the floor, and then as I go to bring my left knee through to my right elbow, I have to bring my hips up, touch them together, come back to the starting position, repeat that again. That would be an example of 1 rep. So make sure you're breathing as you're doing that. It's a really easy one to hold your breath. And then again, left knee to right elbow, right knee to left elbow would be 1 rep. Make sure you're paying attention to your handout to see how many reps and sets you have prescribed.